Listen closely. You may be hearing the sounds of human healing. Researchers at UCLA are studying music, here with a type of Kundalini yoga, to see if the chanting sounds, along with the meditation and movements, can boost the health of body and brain.
I'm very excited about using non-drug approaches to healing and borrowing from and learning from the ancient techniques that have been used for thousands of years, like yoga, meditation, sound healing.
These study participants have mild memory complaints and are also at risk for heart disease.
I was starting to get a little worried about my memory. I was having trouble finding words and keeping my train of thought, wondering why I walked into a room, that sort of thing. And I really wanted to see if there was something I could do about it.
In fact, a previous study at UCLA showed this chanting meditative ritual could compete and in some cases even outperformed gold standard memory training. Dr. Lavretsky and her team even saw changes at the cellular level and improvement in biomarkers related to aging.
The world population is rapidly aging, and so looking at these types of interventions that can be implemented with minimal side effects is really important.
It's available to anybody. Nobody has to prescribe it, or they don't have to go to the doctor. And it's wellness-oriented rather than illness-oriented.
Study participants are asked to practice this chanting ritual 12 minutes a day for 12 weeks. They'll be evaluated again at 6 months and a year.
I will sometimes just start chanting the mantra, and it just takes my mind off of what's going on around me.
It's wonderful. It is calming, it is soothing, it is repetitive, it is meditative.
Like we're relighting ourselves, almost like coming back to how we were as children.
There is growing evidence the ancients were onto something using music to heal, and now modern science is taking a second look.
It's the most ancient tool to reduce stress, and it's a universal language. So we're promoting wellness for anybody who cares to improve their quality of life and functioning.
The greatest benefit would be if it helps my memory, preserve my memory. Life seems a little bit more vibrant, a little bit more beautiful when I'm doing this.